I gained over 100,000 followers in a single month from posting on Instagram, which made me over $50,000. I'm not some creative genius, and in this video, I'll break down how I was able to do it so you can do it too with just your phone and Wi-Fi. Now, before I give out all the sauce, I want to say this isn't some BS growth hack video. I've grown multiple accounts to hundreds of thousands, even millions of followers, and what I'm about to show you is the exact framework I use every single time. In this video, I'll break down the 4 simple steps that allowed me to do this, including a secret AI tool that literally nobody is talking about. Not even 2 years ago, I was working at Best Buy, dead broke, trying to figure out how to make money online. Now, I'm in a position where I've grown to over 150,000 followers, consistently make anywhere from $15,000 to $20,000 every single month, and I literally have the freedom to do whatever I want with my time. If you're trying to grow on Instagram in 2025, this is the only video you need to watch. The way I was able to grow this many followers in a single month was by posting this one specific video that went insanely viral for me. I'm talking 60 million views type of viral. This is the video on the screen right now. The concept of this video was paid tools versus free tool alternatives, which was trending at the time. And there's always videos like this that are going insanely viral that you can also recreate. Don't worry though, later in this video, I'm going to show you how to find these insanely viral videos that you could recreate for yourself. But as you can see on the screen, this video alone brought in over 76,000 followers. And because of this one video, a lot of other videos on my page went viral as well. As you can see, this post got 5 million views, this one got 4 million views, this is the same video I reposted and it got 2.7 million views, and the list goes on and on and on. Now, let's get into the actual steps on how you could do this yourself without spending more than 60 minutes a day on this. Step 1, ideation. The first step is creating a brand new Instagram account, and here's why this is so crucial. You need a fresh slate to train the algorithm and mold it in your favor. Now, listen to this, because this is where most beginners mess up. When you're just starting out, do not try to create original content. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but trust me on this. Instead of blindly guessing what might go viral, you want to recreate content that's already gone viral since it's been proven to work. And right now, I'm about to show you the secret method that I use that will hack your algorithm to feed you viral content ideas. Normally, this step takes creators at least 3 hours a week to find content ideas. But with this secret method, it only takes 30 minutes a week. Here's exactly how to do it. First, we need to understand the algorithm. The algorithm's goal on Instagram is to keep you on the platform as long as possible. So it shows you content that it thinks you as a viewer will like. We're gonna reverse engineer this to our advantage. For the sake of this video, let's just say that you're in the fitness niche. Open up Instagram and search keywords related to this niche. For example, some keywords can be fat loss, workout routine, etc. Now search it and scroll on the top bar all the way to the right. Now you'll see the Reels button, just press it, and this is where the magic happens. You'll see hundreds of viral videos pop up. Interact with these viral posts. I'm talking likes, comments, saves, and even share them with yourself. Do this with 15 to 20 videos that have over 500,000 views. Spend at least 10 minutes a day doing this, and after a couple days, your Reels tab will be filled with viral content ideas ready for you to recreate. The reason why this works so well is because you're tricking Instagram's algorithm into becoming your personal content research assistant. By interacting with viral videos in the niche that you're in, this will signal to Instagram that this is the type of content you like to interact with, so it'll start to push out even more viral videos to you. It's genius, right? Now, the final step of ideating content is picking out 5 to 7 pieces of content that went viral for you to recreate. So once you've trained your algorithm successfully, just spend some time scrolling through your reels and picking these ideas out. Now that we have our viral piece of content ideated, step 2 is scripting. Now, this is where most of the magic happens, and I'm gonna show you my biggest secret. Instead of spending hours trying to script out content like most creators do, I use this one AI tool called Poppy. This tool is literally a cheat code. It uses ChatGPT and Claude to script out viral videos for you. Let me show you exactly how to use it. First, head over to getpoppy.ai or click the link in the description. Create an account, and if you want to save $25 off any plan, use my code CHASO at checkout. I promise you this video is not sponsored. I genuinely find this tool super valuable. Once you're inside of Poppy, here's where it gets crazy. Press new board and watch this. Remember those viral videos that we just saved in the first step? Copy the link to each one and paste it into Poppy. Now press G to create a new group and drag all your videos into it. Then press C to open up the chatbot and connect your group to it. Now I'm going to show you 2 prompts that you need to type word for word. Here's the first one. I just attached a new group of viral content. I want you to analyze all the videos and why they went viral. Break down their structure and tonality. Press enter and watch Poppy break down each video for you. But here's where it gets even better. Type this next prompt. I want you to rewrite each script that you analyze in a unique style and tone of voice that I can use to record for myself. Keep most of the same elements and points of the video so it has an element of virality, but rewrite it in a way that is better, more engaging, and more beginner friendly. The first video I want you to rewrite is, now just list out which video you specifically want Poppy to rewrite first. Once you're done that, press enter, then repeat this process for each script, and boom, you've got a complete, original, viral piece of content that's ready to record. Now, I didn't even mention the craziest part about this tool. If you're already a creator, you can actually attach a new group of your own content and tell Poppy to analyze your tonality in that content and rewrite the viral scripts in your voice. Yes, I know, it is pretty insane. The next step is recording, and I'm going to show you how to make professional looking content with just your phone. Remember that 60 million viewed video that you saw earlier? I actually filmed it on my phone, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. The first thing you need to understand is that lighting is the most important part of making your videos look professional. Now, you've got two options here. If you're able to invest a little bit, grab these box lights and tripod from Amazon. They're pretty cheap and they're literally all you need to get started. Set the box lights up at a 45-degree angle towards your face and position your tripod at eye level. This will give you that clean, professional look that makes your videos stand out. But here's the thing. You don't even need to spend money to get started. If you're on a budget, I've got two completely free hacks for you. Use a window for lighting and a water bottle as a tripod. In the morning, when the sun is out, position yourself either straight on or at a 45-degree angle to the window. Stack some books under the water bottle until your phone is at eye level. Trust me, this cheap setup can look even better than the expensive equipment. I remember I was using this exact setup for months when I first started out, and I was going insanely viral. Now, here's a little sneaky hack that nobody talks about. If you want to read your script word for word without looking awkward, CapCut has a free teleprompter feature built right into it. This is the same software we'll be using for editing, so I recommend getting comfortable with it. Before you start filming your actual content, record yourself talking for at least 30 seconds. This helps you get very comfortable on camera and find your voice. I still do this before recording every single video I make, including this one. After recording your content, the next part is editing. I'll be completely transparent with you. I'm not going to overwhelm you with all the details in this video about how to edit. Instead, I'm going to link a complete editing course in the description that shows you exactly how I edit all my viral videos. Everything from transitions, effects, text animations, music selection, etc. Now, the final step, which is step 4, posting. I'm gonna give you the 4 most important things that you need to know to maximize your chances of going viral. I've tested these strategies I'm about to list across multiple accounts, and these are the exact methods that helped me grow to over 150,000 followers. First, trending sounds are absolutely non-negotiable. Most creators don't realize this, but using a trending sound on your video can literally 10x your views. Let me show you exactly how to find them. Open your Reels tab and press on the sound button in the bottom left corner of the video. And now look for an upward arrow that says trending on the audio. Before you even start posting, save at least 5 to 10 trending sounds. The reason why this works so well is because Instagram's algorithm prioritizes content using trending audio. I've seen videos with terrible low quality absolutely blow up simply because they use the right sound at the right time. Next is posting time. This is something I've spent months testing and figuring out, and what I've found is that the best windows to post your content in are from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern or 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern. These are usually the periods of time when users are most active, so use this to your advantage. Third, consistency is key. And I'm not just talking about posting randomly. I'm talking about posting 5 to 7 quality pieces of content per week. And notice how I said quality. This is where most people mess up. They post reels daily just to stay consistent, but their content provides zero value. Each video you create and post needs to teach something, solve a problem, or entertain in a way that makes people want to follow you. Really think about it. Would you follow someone who's just posting very low quality content every single day? Probably not. Finally, let's talk about hashtags. And I'm about to tell you something that might shock you. You only need 3 to 5 targeted hashtags per post. I know this goes against what most content gurus teach online, but hear me out. I've tested this across multiple accounts that have millions of followers, and I promise you, fewer strategic hashtags work way better than spamming 30 random ones. Instagram's algorithm is smart enough to understand what your content is about. When you use too many hashtags, you're actually confusing the algorithm about who to show your content to. The truth is, most people overthink the whole process. They spend weeks trying to find the perfect setup, the perfect lighting, the perfect everything, but I literally grew my my account to over 150,000 followers by just following these 4 steps listed in this video. I promise you, it's not that hard. You can do the same. And guys, that's it for today's video. If you found value in this, please drop a like and hit subscribe. I drop content like this every single week showing you exactly how to grow and monetize your Instagram. And if you're serious about taking your Instagram growth to the next level and want to work with me one-on-one, click the first link in the description to apply. Anyways, see you guys in the next video.